Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your secondary monitor is not displaying on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer after performing an update. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is tap the Windows key and the P key combination on your keyboard at the same time. So again, the Windows and the P key. And then at this point, go ahead and select the extend option, and then you should be good to go. Something else you could try here as well, if you're having an issue if your display even displaying on this option, you can go ahead and open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, or come back with settings, go ahead and open that up, and select system on the left panel, and then select display. You want to scroll down on the right side underneath multiple displays, select that option, and then select the detect button. Make sure your monitor is plugged in properly and it has a nice snug connection, because if it does not, it's possible why it's not being picked up here. So again, it's something else I'd recommend taking a look at, and then hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.